Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where to get the Impenetrable Thorns spell inside of Shadow of the Erdtree. You just want to teleport to the Dark Chamber entrance. It's the last grace that you go to inside of the Shadow Keep. Mesmer's boss fights in this room behind me. We don't need to go in there, we just need to go down the stairway over here. I want to go across this bridge. And then it's literally just down here past these two guys. We're going to do a little drop off down off of this ledge where this guy's looking out into the abyss. And then there's also a dude down there that we'll want to be careful of. So he doesn't knock us off the ledge. We'll just do this on the way down. And then it's right here. Boom. Impenetrable Thorns. So now we can equip that, and we can do some OP stuff until they eventually nerf the spell for being too much fun. So until next time, I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.